Remember your dream, even they seem far, because you never know how close you are. Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly predictions from 12th of April 2021 to 18th April 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign. Nothing to do with your moon sign, exotic sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your dynamics, related to your ascendant sign, which type of week will knock you, which type of positive and negative event you will face from 12th of April to 18th of April 2021. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, this whole week from 12th April to 18th April, guys, first of all, your ascendant Lord transit in your third house from 14th April. But first starting of the week, especially Monday and Tuesday, will be a bit struggling days for you when you are not feeling comfortable, you are not in a comfort zone, you're feeling very disturbed and upset. Relationship with your family member will be a matter of concern, and you may suffer due to some stomach related trouble or backbone related trouble. Monday and Tuesday, your ascendant Lord hemmed between Rahu Ketu, which is not very fruitful position. So you need to be careful while signing any document. From Wednesday, your ascendant Lord started transit in your third house, which is very useful, very productive transit for you. When your ascendant Lord transit in your third house, aspecting is on your sixth house, ninth house, and 10th house, you will be blessed with a lot of business. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy very good comforts. You're feeling much relaxed and comfort. Moon is also transit very well positioned on Wednesday and Thursday, when you will bless with a lot of peace of mind. Your family atmosphere will be wonderful. You will enjoy all around success. Wednesday and Thursday will be a rewarding days for you when you will bless with some smart money. Some unexpected money makes you happy due to the moon transit in your fifth house. This whole week, especially from Wednesday to till Saturday night, you will blessed with some unexpected money, and your old debts will be clear. This is a time when you are feeling much relaxed and comfort. If you are a businessman, if you are importer exporter, you are feeling much relaxed and comfort because your financial terms will be better side. This whole week, Aries, especially, you need to be careful on Monday and Tuesday while signing any document. Don't show your trust on strangers on Monday and Tuesday. But from Wednesday, your whole game will be changed because your ascendant Lord started transit in your third house, which is very fruitful for you. And the Mars aspect is on your sixth, your seventh, and your 10th house will brings you a lot of good fortune for you. You will enjoy all around success. Comforts are there. Your competitors are not able to stand in front of you. You are feeling very positive energy. You are feeling very good health, very relaxable mind, and you will enjoy very good time with your siblings, with your near and dears. You will get gains through communications. You will get gains through some phone calls or emails, because third house denotes all these things. Where Mars, your ascendant Lord transit in your third house, you will blessed with a lot of gains through communications. Your short distance journeys will make you happy. This whole time, you need to chant mantra Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy, peace of mind, and very good comforts. And must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before sleep. 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. More you read this mantra, more you chant this Hanuman Chalisa, you will definitely feel much relaxed and better. This whole week brings a lot of positivity. From Wednesday to till end of the week will be surprised, because you will blessed with a lot of gains, peace of mind, good health, good success in your professional life. If you are unemployed, you are finding a job, because Mars aspecting is on your sixth house, you will definitely get job after Wednesday and Thursday. Just perform your best, put your energy, think positive, don't think negative, don't go in depression. Just focus on your things and perform your best. You will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 12th of April to 18th April 2021. This whole week you need to be careful, because this time your ascendant Lord transit in your 12th house. You need to be careful while spending your money. Don't give your money to anyone, otherwise you never get back. This whole week brings a lot of up and down in your professional life. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to satisfy your seniors. If you are importer exporter, you may blessed with some foreign transactions, some foreign orders will make you happy. You will enjoy very good comforts, relaxations of mind, because money matters will make you happy if you are importer exporter or businessman. But if you are in job, if you are doing any type of job, you are engineer, you are IT engineer, you are a doctor, you are any type of shopkeeper, you are any type of manufacturer, you need to be careful while spending your money. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on strangers. Even if you are selling any product, don't supply your goods without knowing the person, because this whole time your ascendant Lord transit in your 12th house, which is not very productive time for you. Your expenditures will be sky high. You are not in a comfort zone. You will enjoy very good luxury. There is no doubt. You may spend your savings on your luxury item at your home, or you may buy some luxurious item like clothes or perfumes or branded clothes. But I would suggest you don't spend your money without any reason, because it will be helpful. Your savings will be helpful for you near future. Try to save your money. But your health will be fine. You will enjoy very good time Monday and Tuesday. But you need to perform your best at your workplace, because your senior demand lots effort from your side. Monday and Tuesday, bit struggling days. If you are employed, if you are in job, you will see a lot of up and down. Relationship with your seniors is not very promising. Wednesday and Thursday, your game will be changed. You're feeling much relaxed and better when your targets will be fulfilled, and you will enjoy very good time with your colleagues and seniors at your workplace. This whole week, you need to perform your best. Must read Goddess Lakshmi Chalisa every day morning before start your day. 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. If you chant this, if you read this Goddess Lakshmi Chalisa, you will definitely blessed with a lot of positive surrounding and positive thoughts in your mind, which will be a biggest game changer for you. Because if you think positive and good, then good things will knock to you. If you think negative, then nothing happen positive with you. Your subconscious mind play a big role, Taurus. You need to think positive, perform best. Don't get upset due to your major work or not click on the time in this week, because very soon you will blessed with a success. Your all pending work will click on time. But this whole week, you have to be patient and wait. Wednesday and Thursday, don't give your money to anyone. You need to be careful. If you give your money to your colleagues, to your friend, you never get back. Friday and Saturday, your health will be matter of concern. Stomach related trouble will irritate you. Backbone related trouble will irritate you. Due to, some family atmosphere, you're not in a comfort zone. Must read Goddess Lakshmi Chalisa every day morning. This whole time, Taurus, you need to perform your best. The more you put positive energy at your workplace, the more you think positive about your personal life as well as your professional life, you will definitely sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, your Ascendant slot, Mercury, which is debilitated till 16th of April. This whole week from 11th April to 16th April. You need to be careful while signing any document. If you're finding a job, this is not a very productive week. You are performing your best at your workplace, but your seniors are not satisfied. Monday and Tuesday, as per moon position, you are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low and disturbed, and you are not in a comfort zone. Monday and Tuesday, you will be a part of any litigation or problem. You need to be careful while talking with elders at home. Don't use any wrong words, or don't use any disrespectable words in front of your elders or your colleagues or your seniors at your workplace. Don't show your ego or aggression, because Mars is going to change its sign and enter in your first house. Don't show your ego. Wednesday and Thursday, you're not feeling comfortable again. You're feeling very upset, very low energy. But Mars transit in your first house from Wednesday. This is due to your ego or aggression, due to your wrong way of speaking. You may lose any near and dear relationship. Talking with spouse, you need to be careful. because Mars 7th aspect is on your 7th house, which is the house of your spouse, your life partner, your business partner. Don't start any new business venture with someone. This whole week create a lot of up and down for you. You need to focus on your thing, perform your best. If you want to grow in this week, just put your energy at your workplace. You will bless with a success. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem, litigation due to your circumstances or negative circumstances. You are not in a comfort zone, Gemini. This whole time brings a lot of up and down for you. This whole week brings a lot of challenge for you. If you are shopkeeper, if you are manufacturer, if you are any type of product seller, then you need to be careful. This whole week create a lot of problem related to your finance. Your cash flow will finish, which will create a problem in your expenditures. Be patient, relax, and must read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning, and must read this mantra, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. Gemini, this whole week brings lot of challenge for you. Perform your best and think positive and think big if you want to grow. This whole week create a lot of up and downs, but overall at the end of the week you will get 40-50% results. Your hard work will convert in your success Friday and Saturday. But you need to be careful while talking with elders at home. You need to be careful while talking with a spouse at your home. Must chant Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah 101 time, 121 time, 151 time. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy and positive, atmosphere surrounding you. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.